Good morning everyone, my name is John D. Pupasinaw. Today we will explore the art of coffee. We will understand how roasting levels and grind types shape the coffee flavor, aroma, and brewing. Introduction. Roasting is a crucial process that transforms green coffee beans into aromatic brown beans we use to brew coffee. The duration and temperature of roasting determine the final taste, acidity, and body of the coffee. There are three main roasting levels: light, medium, and dark, each offering distinct characteristics. Light roast. Light roast coffee is roasted for the shortest time at lower temperature, typically between 356 Fahrenheit to 401 Fahrenheit. The beans retain most of their original flavors, offering a bright acidity and fruity or floral notes. This roast is often prepared for specialty coffee because it highlights the unique origin flavors of the beans. Medium roast. Medium roast coffee is roasted at temperature ranging 410 Fahrenheit to 428 Fahrenheit. It strikes a balance between acidity and body, producing a smoother flavor with a slightly caramelized sweetness. This roast maintains some of the bean's natural flavors while also introducing a bit of the richness from roasting. Dark roast coffee is roasted at higher temperature, usually between 437 Fahrenheit and 482 Fahrenheit, resulting in a bold, full-bodied flavor. The original characteristic of the beans become less prominent as they take on smoky, chocolatey, or nutty notes. The oils on the surface of the beans give this roast a rich, intense taste with low acidity. And this is the type of grinds. Extra coarse. Used for cold brewing methods like the toddy brewer, where long steeping times are needed. Coarse grind, similar to sea salt, is ideal for French press coffee and cupping the extract a rich, full-bodied flavor. Medium coarse, used in specialty brew like the Cafe Solo and Chemex, providing a balanced extraction. Medium grind, a sand-like texture is commonly used for drip coffee makers and pour-over methods. Fine grind, similar to table salt, is perfect for espresso machine and mocha pots for quick extraction. And the last one is extra fine grind. Resembling powder is used for Turkish coffee brewed in an ibrick, producing a thick, rich cup. And that's all. Thank you.